Hi students, welcome back. We were listening to the story, lesson number 6, Johnny Appleseed. Let's continue it. So what, in the last part, what happened? He cut the apple and the core of the apple, he cut it and what the seeds were there, what he did, he made a hole and just sow in the field there. Here means core means students, central part of the apple where the seeds will be there. Soon the plants become trees. Johnny sold the trees with the money. He helped the poor. He planted more trees. So after he planted the core of the, he removed the core of the apple and he planted the seeds. There after some days, the small seeds grown into a trees. And after that small plants it grows, and after that it grows into a trees. And after growing to the trees, what he did, the apples what he bought from that seed, big apples were there, that apples what he did, he sold it, and with that money he helped the poor people. And again he planted more trees. Again he cut the apple of the core of the apple and he found seeds. Again he planted some more seeds to get some more trees. Soon everyone began to love this good man. They called him Johnny Appleseed. They gave him their very best apples for seeds. They also gave him clippings for other fruit trees. So what happens, after doing this same process for many days, all the people started loving him, started caring about him, and they said that this Johnny was a very good man, and he kept their name as Appleseed because he planted many apples with the help of the seeds. And some of them, what they did, they gave them best apples so that they can get the best seeds, and out of best seeds they can get a best tree of the apple. And sometimes they also gave him clippings for other fruit trees, and they helped him, the other people helped Johnny to cut out the branches which are being not good or it is dried. So that type of branches are called clippings. So when the trees goes more, some leaves dries. So what we do, we just remove it so that the trees will be very nice and beautiful. It looks nice there. Johnny also planted pear trees, plum trees and peach trees. So after planting apple trees, he planted pear trees, plum trees and even the peach trees. In the evenings, the children came to him. Johnny finished his work and told them wonderful stories about the things he had seen in his travels. So in the evening time, when he planted the trees and his works get over, the small children of that village used to come near him, and what he used to say, he used to tell beautiful stories to the small children there. What is there, what is his experience, what from the traveling from one place to another place, how he helped his poor people. So all the things which is good for children, he started telling the stories. Johnny Appleseed planted many trees. Soon all the empty fields become orchards. So whatever the empty fields were there in that place of the poor people, that all empty field was filled with trees, and it was very peaceful land. And all orchards mean, children, the place where we plant the trees, fruits of trees, that is called orchards. And he even planted many more trees, and out of that trees, what fruits he used to get, he used to sell it, and that money he used to help the poor people. Johnny did this for about 50 years. Then his hair and beard became white. People loved him. They would come and plow and plant for him. So after till 50 years, when he was still 50 years, he continued the same work. And his hair and beard, that became turned into white. Okay, and people loved him so much. They would help Johnny to plow the seed, to clean the field, and whatever seeds were there, they used to put it in the field. When old Johnny Appleseed went to live with angels, no one even forget him. So when he was, at last, when he was old, he died. Okay, he went to angels means he died. Till then, when he was died also, the people remembered him about his good things. He helped the poor people, how he worked hard to plant the trees. The people would sit under the trees. This orchard was planted by the good man Johnny Appleseed. Till now, the people used to sit under the trees of that orchard, and people used to remember him. So students, read this story and understand. Thank you.